Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to wire up a fire alarm to a pole station. So right now you see I got the 270 SPO up and it got shut, but if I have more light, well, that's all the light that I have, but I don't know if you can see, but that's the black wire. So black will go to first and then first terminal, and then the gray wire will be going to second terminal. So that's that, and then we got the fire alarm that I've got here, which is going to be the advanced remote strobe. So first wire we got the black wire. So first you're gonna put the black wire into the right terminal. And then guys, let me turn it up. So let me just face you like right at the fire alarm for a second. I'm gonna put in the wire to the fire alarm if you guys don't mind. So I'll be done with that in a second. So guys, I just put the wire in the alarm and it should be, so you got your first wire done, which basically I think you're gonna take your second wire, which is gonna be the gray one, and then let me face you guys at the fire alarm again. So, and then I'll put you guys by the fire alarm again, and then I will put the wire. Sorry guys if I'm taking a little long, because I had to get the wire because it fell like out of like where the bracket was. So I just got that wire, so now I'm putting it in the terminal. And I'm gonna take this screwdriver to wire it up. So I took the screw, I'm screwing down the terminal right now, guys. Okay, so, oh my God. This sometimes gets annoying to wire up because this wire is just a little frayed, so let's put that wire on again. Sorry guys, but and guess what? Since I ordered a new Simplex strobe light, it's coming tomorrow in the mail, and I'll make a review on that. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for that. Okay? Yeah. So let me just put in the wire on the terminal. Okay, so guys, I put the wire on the terminal right like this. Now have everything unplugged before you wire this stuff, or else you could get injuries or death, which would be worse. So then you got your terminal screwed down, and you've got your wires in. Next, what you do is you take your fire alarm, which I'm using as a Spectralar Advanced Strobe Light, and you put it on the mounting bracket, or you'll mount it, in this case, like using a True Alert or something. Take your screwdriver, if it's like a strobe light from System Sensor or something, you will take your screwdriver. If this is just on a pegboard, this is optional. You can screw it in or like leave it so like they can take off the alarm and change the candela and that. But if it's in a building, you do want to take a screwdriver and screw the alarm in the mounting bracket. So then test your alarm to see if it can come off. If it can't come off, that's not good. But if it can't come off, that is good. So guys, once you've done all your wiring, make sure to test it. If you've got your wires put in the wrong terminals, just unscrew your alarm or take off the cover. In this case, like using a True Alert, you take off the cover and then you change your wires. It's really easy. It takes them like a minute or two. So in this case, if your wires were put in wrong on like a True Alert or a Genesis or something, well, Genesis are kind of hard. You take out the mounting screws and then you'd put in like, then you change the wires into the right terminals, then you mount the alarm and put the cover on. System sensor, take off the alarm, put the wires in the right terminals, and then you give it another test, and then True Alerts, take off the cover and just change your wires and put them into two different terminals. Guys, as you see, I'm also working on the wall up there. Don't make fun of this, but I have a paper fire alarm system. On focus camera. Let me bring you closer. Yeah, there. So, yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. If your alarm worked with the wires, that's good. If you have a pegboard and you're using a plug in the thing before you test it. And if you're using a battery, just go to the, just test it. So guys, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.